info in development through visualization and affirmation. Using our critical thinking abilities, one can examine the details and renovate the facts into usable specifics. The information can help one to examine problems and solve them effectively. One can make better decisions by examining information. The examined details learned can be fashioned into new ideas so that one is inspired to stay focused and striving toward a better future. We reap many benefits from examining problems. Self-query is the process of mental action that allows you to ask questions and reap benefits by examining information you have learned. Building your critical thinking skills through affirmation and visualization will assist you with inventions whereas new mental processes unfold, providing you a refreshed mind. Your mind will use the information you have learned to create new ideas, inventions, and theories. As the information starts to interact with your thinking, you can create new ideas or something fresh each time. Learning the importance of critical thinking is essential. When one can develop the critical mind, they often harvest the benefits of positive affirmation that grants them many benefits. One could improve his or her performance and ability to process information effectively by encouraging the mind to find purpose, ask questions, and so on. We must learn to use our critical minds sufficiently. Once you have developed your critical mind, you will be able to produce your knowledge. It is unswervingly reproduced more willingly, it will be shaped. When the mind starts to interact with your thoughts, it is possible to use scholarly information to create innovative knowledge, which broadens the mind. We can learn how the mind works to take effective action in reshaping the mind. At what time one can identify the actions of his or her mind by using original systems that help one to conceive that the mind is a repetitiously revolving mechanism. By examining the mind's actions, one can reach above to a higher level of consciousness. Reaching a higher plane of consciousness will make it easier for one to stay in control of their life. One can build his or her recall ability by examining the mind and while using affirmation and visualization. The mind is able to recall facts in sequence and helps you to describe the meaning. This is one of the basic actions the mind completes often, which after facts are described from visual objects or events, the sequence is put in order to give you a better understanding. Try to name some steps in through a branch of mathematics, order and proof. For example, try to recall your friend's telephone number. Try to recall a couple of calendar events that you must attend this week. Use icons to help you recall. Use similarity also to help you recall. Try using analogy to make comparisons. Finally, examine the mind's processing or actions. You can also compare your ideas or situations with other people's situations to help you find answers to your problem. For instance, if you are challenged with problems, perhaps you can use your friend as an example to see how he or she overcame a similar problem. Using icons enable you to create mental diagrams and illustrations that help to produce new ideas by comparing similar problems. Try conjuring up a Venn mathematic diagram in your mind that represents a set of logical relationships between other examples. Draw the sets as circles in your mind. Look for the similarity and compare. Try to spot the difference. Learn to train your mind to search for distinctions and to contrast these differences. Your mind will gradually allow you to use your critical thinking in order to solve problems effectively.